Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is AI Clarence, and I'm excited to have you here. Are you ready to start making money online using a simple strategic blueprint that anyone can follow? Whether you're new to the online world or looking to improve your income, I'm here to guide you through every step. If you're serious about earning from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. Let's get started today and turn your financial goals into reality. Today, I'll give you a detailed explanation on how to set up a trade on uTrading with just $100 to $300. Well, focus on unleveraged trades, which means no risk of liquidation, ensuring that your capital is safe. Whether you're new to trading or have some experience, this guide will help you start small, trade smart, and manage your risk effectively. Let's dive right in. Here are the 5 steps we're going to follow. Step 1. Use the link below this video and set up uTrading. Step 2. Choosing your assets, coin, and setting up the trade. Step 3. Risk management settings, stop loss, and take profit. Step 4. Monitoring and adjusting the trade. Step 5. Diversifying and growing your capital.
By the end of this video, you'll be fully prepared to make your first trade safely with confidence. Let's start with Step 1, setting up your uTrading account. Alright, the first thing we need to do is set up your uTrading account. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, make sure to use the link below this video to sign up. It's super easy to get started, and I'll guide you through the entire process. So here's what you'll need to do. 1. Register on uTrading. Once you've clicked the link and downloaded the app, go ahead and open it. The registration process is straightforward, just fill in your email, create a password, and follow the prompts to sign up. 2. Verify your account. uTrading will ask you to verify your identity. This could include uploading a government ID and proof of address. Make sure you have those documents ready. This step is essential for ensuring the security of your account and to comply with financial regulations. 3. Deposit funds. Once your account is set up, you'll want to deposit funds to start trading. For this tutorial, we're keeping it simple by using $100 to $300, which is a manageable amount to learn with. You can deposit through a bank transfer, crypto wallet, or payment provider. uTrading accepts multiple funding methods, so pick the one that's easiest for you. Step 2. Choosing your assets and setting up the trade. Now that your account is funded, it's time to place your first trade. Here's how you do it. Once you've logged in, head over to the trade section. This is where you'll find all the available assets, including cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other trading instruments. Today, we'll focus on crypto since it's one of the easiest to get started with. 2. Choose your assets. For this example, we'll be trading popular and relatively stable cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. These coins are well-known and liquid cryptocurrencies, meaning it's easy to buy and sell them without huge price fluctuations. Scroll through the available assets and select Bitcoin or Ethereum based on your preference. 3. Enter your trade amount. Since we're working with a budget of $100 to $300, it's important to allocate your capital wisely. Let's say you've deposited $200. You might want to split it evenly between 2 assets, for instance, $100 in Bitcoin and $100 in Ethereum. 4. Ensure it's unleveraged trading. This part is crucial. uTrading allows you to trade without leverage by default, which is what we want for this tutorial. Unleveraged trades are safer because you can't lose more than your initial investment. This eliminates the risk of liquidation, which happens when you borrow money leverage and the trade goes against you. Always double-check that no leverage is applied, especially if you're a beginner. Step 3. Risk management settings. One of the most critical aspects of trading is risk management. Even though we're trading without leverage, it's still important to protect your capital with tools like stop loss and take profit. Let me explain. 1. Setting a stop loss. A stop loss ensures that if the market moves against you, your position is automatically sold to minimize losses. For example, if you buy Bitcoin at $2 and you're comfortable losing no more than $0.10 per coin, you can set your stop loss at $1.90. This way, if the price drops, you're protected from further losses. 2. Take profit level. This tool automatically closes your trade once the price reaches a certain level of profit. If Bitcoin rises to $2.50, for instance, you can set a take profit at $2.50 to lock in your gains. This is optional, but it's helpful if you don't want to monitor the market constantly. The goal here is to manage risk efficiently while maximizing your potential gains. Step 4. Monitoring and adjusting the trade. Once your trade is live, it's important to keep an eye on it and make adjustments when necessary. uTrading provides real-time data on all your open trades, so you can see how your assets are performing. 1. Monitoring the trade. Be sure to regularly check the performance of your assets. If the market becomes volatile, you might want to adjust your stop loss to protect any gains you've made. For example, if Bitcoin rises from $2 to $2.30, you could move your stop loss to $2.10 to secure some profit while still allowing the trade room to grow. 2. Making adjustments. If the market is moving favorably, you might also want to raise your take profit level or even add to your position. On the flip side, if the market starts moving unfavorably, consider closing the trade early to minimize losses. The key here is staying active and making smart decisions based on market conditions. Step 5. Diversifying and growing your capital. Now that you've successfully made your first trade, let's talk about growing your capital through diversification. 1. Diversify your portfolio. One of the golden rules of trading is not to put all your eggs in one basket. If you've only traded Bitcoin so far, consider adding other cryptocurrencies like Doge, Near, or Litecoin. Diversification helps spread risk across different assets, meaning if one trade isn't performing well, another might be doing better. 2. Scaling up slowly. As your trades become profitable, consider reinvesting your gains into new positions or increasing the size of your existing trades. It's important to scale up slowly and avoid overtrading, which can lead to unnecessary risk. And there you have it. We've covered everything you need to know to start trading on uTrading with just $100 to $300 safely, and without the risk of liquidation. Trading doesn't have to be risky, especially when you keep it simple and avoid leverage.
Thank you for joining me today. I hope this gives you the confidence to start trading with uTrading. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I'll be happy to help.